homeowners, I'm the real boss of Focus on Bathrooms. And listen, I drink out of toilets for fun, but this one, no, I'm not touching that. Is your bathroom outdated or falling apart faster than your New Year's resolutions? I see the evidence.
Good news. Focus on Bathrooms brings all the materials right to your door so you can see it, feel it, and, yeah, go ahead, sniff it.
Premium quality, 6-time Homestars winner. And financing, so you can upgrade without selling a kidney.
You want results fast? Boom, instant quotes. Unless you email at 3 a.m. because your shower handle fell off again, then you may have to wait till morning.
They turn your bathroom from yikes into a serene, Pinterest-worthy sanctuary. And yes, your in-laws will probably start visiting more. Sorry about that.
So if you live anywhere in the GTA and you want your dream bathroom, Focus on Bathrooms, a division of Focus on Flooring and General Contracting, has you covered.
Click the link to get your free quote.
Go on, click it. Your bathroom deserves better. Or don't. I'm just a dog trying to guide your life choices.